Every plastic bottle you throw away has the potential
begins with collection. Plastic bottles are placed into recycling bins. Trucks transport materials to recycling centers. Inside are plastics of many different types. Plants process tons of waste. Garbage is actually a valuable resource. Powerful machines recover plastic. Let's follow one bottle. Through this stage is where technology shines. Giant belts spread plastic waste into a single layer. Optical cameras identify items in milliseconds. Robotic arms separate bottles. Machines identify every bottle, while powerful washing systems remove dirt, labels, and contaminants. Now comes one of the most satisfying stages. Massive rotating blades tear bottles into flakes. These flakes are much easier to process. Shredders still contain moisture. Water reduces quality. Centrifugal dryers remove excess water. Hot air completes the process. The result is dry plastic ready for melting. Transformation begins. Plastic flakes enter an industrial extruder. Inside, rotating screws push them through heated chambers. The plastic melts into a thick liquid.
Plastic strands are cut into pellets. Each pellet is only a few millimeters wide. Manufacturers create thousands of products, from clothing, new plastic bottles.
Every batch undergoes strict testing. Scientists measure purity, color, and moisture, strength and melt flow. Modern recycling produces near-virgin material.
You threw away could become another bottle, or perhaps a jacket. Reducing pollution, saving energy, conserving natural resources. Journey is only beginning. This process is powered by innovation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next adventure.